Ideas. Your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Conceal. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the replacement process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently pulling the connector out. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get assistance without any hassle. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Keep these screws together with the others you removed earlier. Once the screws are out, lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Put it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by carefully pushing the connector back into its slot. Ensure it is firmly in place to avoid any power issues. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Ignite it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the panel. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized and functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Conceal. Enjoy your refreshed device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.